In this short video, I'll discuss the fill series in Excel. Fill series is a magical feature of Excel that will save you time. Let's start with a simple series. You can fill a column or row with numbers. Write 10 in cell B4. Now, select the cell and drag the fill handle tool up to cell B14. It copies 10 to the entire range. Now, click on the autofill options icon. You can see the copy cells is selected. That's why the content is copied to this range. If you select the fill series option, it will increase the value by 1 throughout this series. It's helpful when you want to create a number sequence. You can do this another way. Clear all the entries. In this selected range, input a number into it. Let's say 10 and press Ctrl+Enter. It will fill the entire range with 10. Let's see another example. First, undo this series. Type 10 in cell B4. Type 12 in cell B5. Now, select the cells and drag the fill handle tool. Excel recognizes the pattern and increments the values with a difference of 2. There's another way to autofill numbers. Delete all the entries. Write 10 in cell B4. Now, select a random range including this cell. Press Ctrl+D and it will autofill in the down direction. Now, press Ctrl+R. It will go on the right direction. These shortcuts are beneficial for saving time. Let's undo these actions. You can get more control over it. Select the range B4 to F12. Go to the Home tab. In the Editing group of commands, click on the Fill drop-down and select the Series option. In the Series dialog box, you will get two series: rows for horizontal filling and columns for vertical filling. Select rows. As it's a number, I'll choose the linear type. And you can set the step value as you want. I'm typing 3. Also, setting the stop value is possible. I'll keep it blank and click OK. It filled the series row-wise with the stated step value. Again, open the series dialog box. Now, select the column series and click OK. The entire selection is filled with the preferred series. You can test this for dates too. Type a date 1/12/2023 in cell B4. Select the range B4 to B14 and open the series dialog box like before. Excel detects that it's a date. You can select various date unit from here. The day option returns dates based on a specific starting point and the increment you define. The weekday helps you create a series of numbers representing days of the week, excluding the weekends. Month is used to generate a series of months based on the increment value. Lastly, the year option generates a series of years. Let me choose the month option and click OK. As you can see, this series increases by 1 month. Time for a quick pop quiz. Imagine you have a list of weekdays: Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday in cells H4 to H7. How would you extend this list to include Thursday and Friday without manually typing? Drop your answer in the comments. Stay tuned for the custom fill in Excel. Bye!